3. In this video, I'll show you how to create an API key in Kraken. First, sign into your Kraken account and click your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Next, open the API section and click Create API Key. Enter a name for your new API key so you can easily identify it later. After that, choose the permissions you want the API key to have, such as viewing account information, trading, or accessing other available features. Only enable the permissions your application actually needs for better security. Now, review your settings and click Generate Key or Create API Key. Complete any required security verification, such as two-factor authentication if prompted. Once the key is created, copy the API key and private key and store them in a secure location, since you may not be able to view the private key again. Finally, use your new API credentials in your application or trading software, and keep them protected by storing them in environment variables instead of directly in your code. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create an API key in Kraken. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.